Welcome to Nalla Narasimha Reddy Education Society's group of institutions, Integrated Campus, Hyderabad, Structural Engineering 1, that is Reinforced Cement Concrete RCC. Unit 2, I am Dr. A. Mahesh Babu, Professor, Department of Civil Engineering. In last videos, I explained about different types of cracks, different regions. We'll continue in this section. If you see these, there are three types of cracks. This is first type and second type, both sides, and third type. That is region 1, region 2, region 3. You have different types of cracks. If you observe here, you will see different types of cracks here. If you see here you will have one types of cracks. Here different type of cracks. This is different type of cracks. This is different types of cracks, right? See, these cracks are due to your purely flexural strength failure. This is because of bending moment. Here you will have maximum bending moment, right? So in region 2, here you will have bending moment as well as shear force. So this is different type of cracks in region 2. That is, you will have in the cracks due to bending moment and shear. In edge you have because of shear. There are three types of cracks, that is three regions. See, you have to draw this figure clearly and mention like this: region 1, region 2, region 3. We'll see in region 1. See, in region 1 is, I said, if you look at region 1, region of flexure cracks, this region will occurs adjacent to midspan where bending moment is large and shear force is either zero or very small. If you see bending moment and shear force diagram, you can understand this sentence clearly. See, if you see, I will explain in this one. Here, if you see, suppose a bending moment is here, right? You have a beam like this, right? And here, it may not be accurate, but you see here, this is here. If you see here, see here, yeah, good. If you see this and see, everyone should know this bending moment diagrams. See, these are very important questions for your all competitive examinations and Viva interviews. This is a bending moment diagram where you are having this a uniform load, right? Uniform load. See, this is, you will have uniform load. Here, if you see at center, you will have maximum bending moment and nearly zero shear force, here maximum nearby. And if you go towards edges, here bending moment will slightly reduce and it will increase. This is in region 2. In region 3, it will bending moment almost comes zero at the end and shear force will be maximum. See, if you understand this concept of bending moment diagram, you can mention clearly, you will understand what is the types of cracks here. If you see, and this is what is region 1. In region 1, the bending moment is maximum and shear force is almost at center zero or very small adjacent to center. So this is region 1, that is region of flexure cracks. Okay, and in continuation, the principal planes are perpendicular to the beam's axis. When the principal tensile stresses reaches to tensile strength of concrete, which is quite low, tensile cracks develop vertically. The principal planes perpendicular to the beam axis. When this principal stresses reaches to tensile stress of concrete, see, generally tensile strength of concrete is very low. Tensile cracks developed vertically, right? The cracks are known as flexure cracks, resulting primarily due to flexure. What is that meaning? I will show you in first slide. See here, if you observe at the center here, this zone, right? Because this is due to flexure strength. Suppose if you not provide sufficient reinforcement at the bottom, okay, as per design requirement, what will happen here? Flexural strength here, if you see cross section of this beam, here if you see this cross section of the beam, here what will happen? Principal stresses. You know what is the principal mean stresses? Principal stresses developed. These vertical cracks will be developed at the region 1 due to failure of flexural strength, because concrete will not take alone this stress due to bending moment at the center if you will not provide sufficient reinforcement. That's required. That's why the required design of beam. See, I think you understand in better way what is flexural cracks. Flexural cracks are only at the mid span, and they're in vertical cracks, tension cracks, because of the word maximum bending moment and minimum shear force. Bending moment due to bending moment. Say here shear force won't come into picture, and you can say the region 1 flexure cracks are due to only bending moment. Why? Principal planes are perpendicular to the beam axis. When these principal stresses reaches the maximum tensile strength of the concrete. What is the maximum strength of the concrete? 0.7 under root FCK Newton per mm square as per IS 456 code provisions. These important points I will repeat many times, because in GATE exams they will give you M20 grade concrete. What is your maximum tensile strength of the concrete? Simply 0.7 under root FCK. FCK is here 20. M20 means that is characteristic strength of concrete. M20 is 20. So here the flexural strength of the concrete equal to 0.7 under root 20 Newton per mm square. This is a provision of code. See, very simply you will get 2 marks. If you understand the concept of that concrete maximum strength, how to calculate. So these principal stresses will develop, and these stresses reaches more than tensile strength of concrete, then tensile cracks developed vertically as shown in the previous figure. See, these cracks are known as flexural cracks resulting primary due to flexure, right? See, if you see in region 2, it is a second case where you are having bending moment and shear force. These failures occur due to bending moment and shear. Just in region 2, as I shown in the previous figure, as you observe, see, they are near the quarter span to both sides. So 1/4, if you leave that from the center to this 1/4, you will have type 2 cracks. These regions are near the quarter span to both sides, where bending moment is considerable, and you have not maximum, but it is considered. And at the same time, shear force also significant. There are both. If you see shear force diagram, just I will draw only for shears. If you see here, if you see here, if you see here, because it will take more time to go again notes. See, if you see, this is here shear force diagram, right? See, here it is significant, right? From here to here, you will have significant shear force. So that is the meaning. So here you will have both side bending moment is considered, and same was in the same time you will have shear force. And we'll continue in the next class remaining types of cracks by continuing this region 2 cracks. Thank you. Thank you.